Poor Morris went up to Tux and goes like, oh God, that's the wrong cat. Tuxie, come on, honey. Your stuff's over here, bud. Come on, Tux. Tuxie. Come on. Good boy. You know the routine, puppy dog. Good boy. Wow, look at all those blossoms. That's awesome. Hi, guys. Good morning. Good morning. Hi. You're gonna have to leave your food bowl. You're all good. Hi, Morris. It's good, buddy. It's good. You didn't hop down. I'm late this morning. Hi. You good? Is everything okay? It's looking like a gorgeous day. Just wish I had some butterflies on the white spiked butterfly bush down by the bridge. I'm not seeing any swallowtails. It's kind of sad. They're supposed to have rain today and then it all dissipated. It's like it's not happening. Hey, I'm really proud of you going up there to do the proctoring, I guess, at the testing today. You do good, and do good on your testing too. Me and Mr. Don will be there to pick you up at close to 3 this afternoon. And we got Johnny dropped off at Taekwondo, and we're headed over to Bass Lake to walk. Don asked me where I wanted to walk, and after thinking about it for just a minute, that's where I decided. If I hadn't just been to Yates Mill, I probably would have said Yates Mill.
I understand.
I'm listening.
JB came up and or was it you and I that pulled the wire from the garage?
I helped you with it.
Okay. So, right. So you and I ran the wire. So I think that's when we installed the, that's not me. I'm not touching anything. I just got my hand on the wheel. Well, kitten, she just did that. That was 100% her.
Wow.
I didn't touch the accelerator.
Wow.
I didn't do nothing.
Wish I'd have filmed it.
Well, we've got it on this thing, but...
Yeah, but up here and just the whole...
Right.
I should have filmed it.
Right. Well, I didn't know she was going to pull that.
Be that good. Yeah, I mean, I would have been on the ready if I'd have known she was going to...
Now, you sure you want to go this direction?
I'm sure.
That means we got to come up that hill.
I'm prepared. I'm ready.
This hill is this way. That hill is that way.
Oh, I want the hill.
Okay. Oh, wow.
I count 5.
5. I see 3.
6. 4. I see 6 now total. There's one way to my left.
Wow.
Very nice. All right, I zoomed in there. Hopefully you can see them better now. There's 3 right in front, 2 to the upper right, and 1 over here to the left. And there may be more, but that's what I've noticed. Very cool. I guess the deer in the park are used to people in the park. Very nice. Well, this is the closest first open pretty spot here. I think that's an egret straight across. You probably can't see. Back this way is the park buildings. It's a pretty day, especially here in the shade. I want barred owls in our box, Donnie. And when I come over here, there's 2 of them that I know of at this park. I want to see them when we're here. If they had babies in that box, I think they would be out.
All right, this is the turnaround point, light pole on the dock.
Yeah, we're gonna go back the way we came instead of up the big hill.
Yeah, right.
It'll be a little longer walk, and it will be uphill at the end, but not as uphill. How much we got right now?
Yeah, I'm telling you, 38.35 so far.
How distance?
1.61 miles.
Okay. So we'll be a little over 3, which is fine. Yeah, and this keeps us by the lake. It's prettier, this view. They do rent canoes here.
Yep.
And I guess John boats too. And it's open today. They have the little John boat motors in there. I've been out on the canoe here. It's fun. So now we've seen a heron, a cormorant, and an egret. All right, we're in the home stretch. I can see the parking lot. We're going uphill, but it's not as steep as the hill on the other side. But we're at about 3 miles of walking, so no doubt we're just a little ready to sit in the air-conditioned car at this point. So I show an hour and 18-minute walk.
Hour, 15 minutes, 50 seconds. But I started, because you were up there, I fooled with my phone for a bit.
Okay, so you're 3 minutes off. That was trying to get your phone working. Yeah.
3.27 miles.
Okay.
7,539 steps.
Phew!
That's about all I can tell you.
Okay. We walked good today.
Right, we did.
Okay, this is a protected left turn. It is a 4-lane road we're turning onto, but she's the first car in line. And so I'm expecting this to be very smooth, almost as good as I could do it. And there is now a car behind us, who's just pulled up behind us. But she's aggressively taking off now, so I think as soon as the light turned green, she's just gonna, you know, haul ass. Like
Yeah,
I said.
yeah. Put you back in your seat.
Yeah. It was almost smooth.
Yeah.
It wasn't bad, but you know, compared to some of the turns, the smoothest, it was one of her smoother turns. But
she's having us navigate to South Park. She's taken the Judge Parkway extension here, and it looks like she knows about it now. This would be a first for her to navigate this without complaining about not knowing where she's going.
Yeah, so far so good.
Well, that's a relief that Maps is finally updated. It only took, what, 3 months?
Oh yeah, something like that. Yeah, she aims for those potholes and roadkill. The yellow line potholes and roadkill. That's what she likes.
So there's 2 stoplights for her to navigate, and then a turn, or we'll be at South Park basically. This one's no big deal, but the other one,
yeah,
it's painted weird. It's like they put in the bike lane and then there's a right turn and it splits the, I mean, I'm confused as a driver about how you're supposed to handle the painting up at this other intersection. So if Jules is confused, that will not be a shocker.
Yeah, well, fortunately right now there is nobody on coming up, so we can let her sort it out. But you know, she usually is in the right only turn lane, and she needs to be getting over. But we're gonna let her.
Right,
let her do her thing.
One time we tried to come through this intersection and she tried to go straight through the turn while being in the turn lane or something funny.
Yeah,
something not correct.
Right. Well, if she does that this time, I'm going to take control, because that, you know, she needs to know she made a mistake. And if you let her illegally drive across the road in a virtual lane, it's not the right thing. So, all right. So we're in good shape. There's still nobody behind us, so we can let her do her thing. So here we go. And good. There's a. See that you.
See, if you stay in this lane, it becomes the right turn lane.
Right turn must turn right.
And so she should already have moved over. No. Don and I are here at South Park walking ball field 3 to make sure that a snapping turtle we saw trapped inside the fence yesterday got out. Don's where the hole in the fence is so that people can go get balls. He must have figured out how to get back out. So I got the one counter, you know, this is in the post office where people would come up and do transactions, and then there's these shelving units that go back behind there. I think this is a door to the back, you know, package area. And I didn't quite get these done. I will work on them after I get back from getting Johnny. Are we gonna get a rain shower? Maybe. I've got Johnny now. They had pizza. Well, he was there for a long time, and Master Lee does normally feed the kids, those that volunteer, if they are around for several hours. It's very convenient. Little Caesars is right next door to the Dojang. What I was going to say though is it started raining, and I had the windshield wipers in the auto spot, and they started doing their thing, but there was no headlights on symbols, so I manually went in and turned them on. And I guess this is something that I really care about because it's state law, and because the car does it, and because it was a good thing the car did it, and I expect it to happen, and I don't like not being able to count that it's happening. So the sooner they fix that, the better. So I got the counter built, the cash register, transaction window. There's a little newspaper rack here, and the shelving and the door area behind is all finished. Back here just added the little cart and a couple of brooms that are hanging on. So it's coming along. I'm missing one piece here. I just cannot find what bin the telephone, the little curved earpiece is. I've got it in all kinds of colors. It'll show up. I'll be looking for another part, and it'll just be there. Just 1 or 2 substitutions, but I'm totally happy with it. And it's a little after 6, and that's where I'm going to stop off for tonight.